In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an alarm in Google Calendar. Setting alarms for your events can be incredibly helpful in ensuring you never miss an important appointment or task. Let's break it down step by step. First, you'll want to open up Google Calendar. You can do this by going to any web browser and typing Google Calendar into the search bar. Once you're there, you'll see the Google Calendar homepage. The next thing you need to do is sign in. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, you can do so by clicking on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right of the page. Once you've signed in, you'll be directed to your calendar. To create a new event, look for the Create button, typically located in the top left corner of the calendar interface. Click on that. Now, a new window will open up for creating events. You'll have an option to click on Event to start a new entry. Here's where you begin by entering the necessary details for your event. First, you'll input the event name. This is how you can easily identify what the alarm is reminding you of when it goes off. Think of it like labeling your task. Next, you'll want to set the specific date and time for your event. This is essential because the alarm will be triggered based on this information, so be as precise as necessary. After you've entered these details, find the More Options link. Clicking this will provide you with additional settings you can configure for your event. Here you'll look for the Notification drop-down menu. Click on it to explore the different notification types available. Notifications can pop up on your device prior to your event, providing you with a friendly reminder. Go ahead and click on Notification to select it. Now you have the opportunity to adjust the duration of the alert. Decide how long before the event you want to be notified. You can set it to minutes, hours, or even a day before. This flexibility allows you to choose a time frame that makes sense for you given the nature of the event and how much advance notice you typically need. Finally, once all the event details and notifications are properly set, the final step is to click on the Save button. This button is usually located at the top right of the screen. By saving, you're ensuring that your event and its associated alarm are now set in your Google Calendar. And there you have it. Your alarm is now set up to remind you of your event in a timely manner. This straightforward process can really assist in keeping your day organized and preventing any last-minute rushes. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep those calendars updated.